on 43.9.
Imagine getting this water bill for $824 when your monthly rent is not even half that. That's what happened to a woman in a now condemned mobile home park in Lowell. We met another man in the same mobile park in a similar situation.
My last bill was $536.
For just water?
For just water.
Tommy Hawkins lives on McClure Avenue. He showed us this copy of his water bill.
It was normally around $60, and then but it has a leak in the line underground, and she won't fix it.
Who's she?
Nan, the landlord.
We reached out to Nanette Nordselmika, the registered agent of M&N Mobile Home Park. She did not want to comment. The renter tells me the landlord came here and tried to dig it up herself.
You can see where she's dug up behind every trailer, the lines, and try to repair them.
The attorney representing M&N Mobile Home Park sent us this statement, quote, "We are not aware of specific amounts of water bills. In the past, some of the tenants have had high water bills, and we determined there was a leak and got the leak corrected. But in all of the instances where it happened, they were tenants who were not paying rent. They are no longer on the premises or departing the premises." But the Springdale Water Utilities Executive Director, Heath Ward, says he's seen the problem of unrepaired leaky water pipes before.
The landlord does not fix the pipes on their side of the meter, and so what happens is the renter gets a high water bill, and the renter by law is responsible for that, or whoever's name the account is responsible for it. So at the end of the day, the landlord's off the hook.
He says the renters at the M&N Mobile Home Park owe the water utilities more than $7,000. And there are other rentals with similar issues. Ward is concerned that renters in Arkansas have no access to information like previous water bills that would alert them to problems before